Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. We're going to do a quick unboxing of this Crochet Park DIY purse kit. And y'all, I ordered this kit probably back in February or March 2025. So I am finally getting around to opening it, and hopefully we'll be crocheting it on live soon. Y'all, look at that tag. Look at that postcard. Happy New Year 2025. We are in a whole nother year. That is crazy. So inside this box, I like this little bag. It says Happy Unicorn. I'll probably get it to my niece. So we get crochet hooks, some stitch markers, and looks like some tape measure in there and some darning needles. We get 4 skeins of yarn, and this is t-shirt yarn. I have not worked with t-shirt yarn before, so I'm super excited about trying it. It does look a little thick, but I know I can work it out. I like the way this yarn feels. Also, the label is all in another language, so I can't read what it says. And this is the grand finale. This is the leather patch, the leather base that I'll be working with to create my trapezoid shaped purse. I totally forgot what kind of purse I ordered, y'all, so when I opened it, I'm like, I thought I ordered a round purse, but nevertheless, this is the base of the purse with the hardware. I do like the gold hardware. It's super nice. So this is everything that came in the box. We'll be making this on live pretty soon. Now that crochet needle with the 2 ends, I never seen anything like it, but I like it. All right, y'all, let's get ready to go on this journey. Crochet Park, I don't have any links or anything, so if you want to go check out their website, Patrice of Couple Thieves does have a link. Maybe. I'll find out and let y'all know. All right, thanks for unboxing. Bye.